Okay, so let's go now to the closed guard, get that out of the way, because we're gonna do some little, see who's the boss in just a bit. I want to see the king of the hill, who's the one who's gonna put all the techniques together. And then we're gonna go for the submissions, the killer touch, and review a bit the sweeps, all right? So you guys are not done yet until you have the killer touch, okay? So, Bobby, please. Recapping again, all right? So, like down, I'm in your guard. And by the way, Jason has a good testimonial about the class that he had done this morning, based upon some of the material I'm about to review with some of you. You smash pass. You guys, the Smother pass, you guys remember that? Okay, so Jason, what was the situation this morning for you?
Well, we were working some drills, and I used the pressure pass. And normally I would do like normally when I would put my hands in the armpit, I'll do like a knee to tailbone type thing, and it's probably 50-50. But I did the wide stance this morning, walked my feet up, put a lot of pressure, and broke the guard pretty easy, and set up my pass really nicely.
And you kept the pass smothering from even after you opened the guard,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So just bear with me, everybody. If you guys were you the one training with him?
No.
Okay. Were you the one training with him? No. Well, you guys are whispering each other's ears.
I was just telling him that didn't happen. He was fine.
All right. Okay, so one thing here is, if you open the legs, the last thing you want is to walk away. Okay, because now he has more room. He's going to be a pain in the neck. And Bobby, he's strong and skilled as it is. So remember, you lower your level and you try to get your hip low and stay strong and fight from here. You see how spread out my legs are? So it's easy for me if I want to choose. If I want to drop the level and ride my knee through, or what I like to do a lot of times, keep your leg heavy here. I grab the guy's foot, bring your foot, grab his knee, grab his, I just kind of mold that leg onto here. And I love doing this one because that's kind of like soccer players do the stretch. The guy kind of goes here and kind of stretch right there. I like to do the stretch to torture people. So when I'm here, and I'm gonna go easy, you try to make the guy's knee touch his chest. Don't try to rotate. Try to kind of right here. How does that feel, huh? What'd you eat for breakfast? Huh? Yeah. You guys follow that? So, but this is not where we're gonna start. We're gonna start from here. I'll tell you what, if Bobby gets a hold of my collar here, I'm doing a grip fight, and he decides to pull, I'm not sure how much protein you're having these days, but you feel stronger than the last time I saw you. Okay, so here, yeah. So it's like a tug of war. I'm pushing away, he's pulling. So I always have to kind of deal with this. So why not just block his shoulder and put your weight too? Look, I already sliced, with my body weight distribution, I slice his grip. So here, I kind of put my arm over, I pull his elbow down, put my weight forward, and even if he doesn't let go, I stay here tiptoe, keep turning against his elbow. He let go. Now, he wants your reaction here when you feel smothered. Yeah, I tiptoe, my legs are always wide, keep holding tight, and I wiggle, and hold my arms released. I wiggle so I can get what? To the hip. And then from here, you kind of connect one leg a bit to the guy's hip. When you move back, you step back one leg, and put your other knee as far as you can, and start from here. Here, when I lock my elbows, if he tries to pull. Yeah, pull with the collar control. So here, I keep wiggling, and I only push when he pulls. And if I need, I go with the elbow. That's the opening right there. I'll keep moving a little bit. And here, what do? Establish the leg, establish the hip. And then from here, that's all you need to do. Stay strong. If the guy holds you here, hold. Pull the arm, break your grip. Hold it in, yeah, don't try to hurt the guy's hands. Don't try to do like the drill rip. Pull to you. And then, see here, hold tight there. I pull, look, and I disconnect. Hold the knee, hold the ankle, put down in the middle, soccer stretch, pull the arm if he wants to hold it, and just gently go here. Follow the hip, he tries to push, windshield. Right there. Push again, windshield. Yeah, right here, look, wrist lock. He's tapping, or push the arm out. You got the V, you got the knee, that's all she wrote. You guys follow that? Just one more time, one detail here real quick. Even if the guy gets a hold of me and I don't want to smother, swim over the guy, tiptoe forward. That's how I stand up, even if the guy wants to pull. And you can go from here, okay? But I like to smother for safety reason. I stay here, I block, and I stay a little bit. And I wait. Yeah, you got push. Even if he has the collar, once I have the hip pull, I keep that hip there, elbow, move your hip back, shake. Keep moving a little bit. What do you do here? Doesn't matter if it's this side. Look, I still push hip. Look how that leg is almost gone. Oh, it didn't work out. Go the other way. Same thing again. Pull, pull. He'll try to do the La Riva, but I pull here. I kind of caught him. Okay? Or you just, once you're here, move your hip forward, drop level with the chip toe, and walk your way out, which is, you know, stretch, and work your way out.